Well, here we are in week 4, discussion question 2. If you've had a chance to look at the video, I think really we're talking about a lot of interesting things this week. Particularly, I think the one thing that stands out to me is how can management be used to give a company a strategic advantage, especially in the area of creativity and innovation. I think some of the best companies out there are ones, and Jack Welch, who is now, associated with Strayer University through the Jack Welch Management Institute, has consistently talked about companies that you are either coming in every day, attempting to innovate, attempting to do things better and differently than you did before, or you're just waiting for somebody to knock you off if they are doing that. So some companies view innovation as a strategic imperative, as something they need to be doing on a day-to-day basis. And as a manager, if you're a manager at a company, how do you encourage that? How do you create a climate? And we really are, I think, to a large degree, talking about organizational culture here. Certain cultures, and I think cultures invariably, are driven from the top of an organization. If you have an organization that desires innovation and encourages it, where does most of the innovation come from? And I think to a large degree, real innovation, and a lot of times really strategically significant change, happens at all levels of an organization. And an organization needs to be open and adaptable to innovative ideas and new ideas coming from any aspect of the organization. So let's say you're the manager of a company, or more importantly, you're the CEO of a company, and you're trying to create a culture in which change, innovation, are encouraged at all levels of the company. So how would you, in essence, from the ground up, create a culture that encourages innovation throughout all aspects? And then, as managers, how do managers at different levels of the organization do the same thing? And I think that's really the key focus of the discussion this week, and where we really want to be looking at even our own organizations that we work for, or that we would desire to work for. How do they use innovation, use change as a strategic advantage, a competitive advantage, if you will, to continue to grow and develop?